Welcome to MW Watermark. In this video, we'll be discussing air blowdown of the filter press.
The purpose of the air blow step is to remove a majority of the free moisture from the filter cake and from the filtrate lines. The filter plates are marked with 1 and 3 buttons alternately to show at a glance how those filter plates are ported. The air during cake air blow enters through the top left number 3 button plates and exits through the bottom right number 1 button plates. That forces the air to travel across the filter plates diagonally and have a better chance of removing that free moisture. First, we're going to shut off the air pump air supply. We'll also isolate the feed pump. We'll close the upper left-hand valve, the lower left-hand valve, and also the upper right-hand valve. Again, we're leaving that lower right-hand valve open for the air to exit through our filtrate line. At this point, the valves are in the proper orientation for filter cake air blow. For most applications, you're going to want to blow it at 40 to 60 psi. So to initiate the cake air blow, you just turn on the air supply. So now you can hear the air blowing the moisture out of the filter cake. So we started at 40 psi, the air dropped off, and we're not maintaining 40 psi because there's no longer that same resistance once you blow that initial slug of moisture out of the lines. At the end of the air blow step, it's a good idea to open and close the bottom left filtrate valve once or twice to expel the moisture that is collected in this bottom filtrate eye just due to gravity. Once you open it, the air will force that water out of that line. When the filter cake air blow step is complete, go ahead and shut off the air supply.